Hey everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. Today's video is going to be an unboxing of our monthly PLOUISE budget box. This is the September box and it is, as you can see, a special box. So on this box it says shop the best brow products. So we already know we're going to have brow products in here, and it's got the URL with the collection and brows, which is kind of cool. Don't mind me, babe, I'm just browsing. I love that, guys. This is so cool. The best brow products and top search is PLOUISE budget brow products. Might as well take a browse, babe, because I'm all alone. I'm all anyone can talk about. Like, honestly, whoever designs it, I know Danielle is the head of design, but oh my god, like the thought that goes into this is insane. So you open it, it's like a keyboard, and this says my top search is PLOUISE. Now, as you know, this is a box that I'm definitely going to be keeping because it is just so innovative, so different, and yeah. So opening it up, as usual, we have the little bubble and the products. So let's go through them quickly and see what we got. So if you're new here, if you've never heard of the PLOUISE budget box, it's basically a £30 budget box, a subscription box, which is sent out every month. For me, in Malta, it is actually about 47 euros in total with shipping. This time I had to pay 6 euros custom fees because I think there's something alcoholic in here, and I'm guessing, I don't know what it could be, because normally when you pay excise fees, it's normally because there's something in the box that has some sort of alcohol limit. I'm not sure exactly how it works. Normally you don't pay any custom fees unless there's some sort of alcohol or something of the sort. But anyways, first product I'm seeing, I'm so glad I got this because I like collecting these. So this is the third one, and this is the Cheek of It liquid blush, and not sure the shade. What's the shade? The shade is Legally Pink. So I do have the full size of this. I'm just going to grab it because I think Legally Pink, if I'm not mistaken, yeah, Legally Pink was in a budget box when there were a box of 4. And I think I have the pack somewhere up there. It's at the back. But we did get in a budget box, we did get a pack of 4 of the pink blushes, and pink blush is gorgeous. So I'm so glad I got the magazine. So this is the last month's magazine, I would like to say, or the one before, but we got it, which is great. And the next one, again, I'm hoping I will get it, but we'll see. Let's dive into the actual box. So what we have here is basically a makeup artist's dream that is good for any kit, because we don't have one, but we have 5, and these are Get Your Fix Eyebrow 3-in-1 in 5 shades, guys. So this is any makeup artist's dream. I'm sure, yeah. So there's 5 different shades. I'm not sure if they're in the exact form, but 5 different shades of their 3-in-1 eyebrow, I'm guessing eyebrow brow pencil. So we have blonde blend, espresso, mochaccino, hazelnut latte, and gingerbread latte. Again, any makeup artist's dream. I will try and do a like first impression. I'm just going to open up. This is gingerbread latte, just to show you guys what they look like. So basically, oh my god, this is such gorgeous packaging. Like, look how gorgeous the packaging is. So we have, on one side we have a brow gel, and then there's a brush and a brow pencil. Like, what? So one side it is the triangular eyebrow pencil. This reminds me of the one that I use actually from the Benefit. It's got the same look to it. If I show you guys, like, so similar. I would say that the PLOUISE is slightly thinner. I'm trying to show them to you so you can see the difference, but they're very similar in shape. So we have eyebrow pencil. I'm trying to understand what it says on the packaging actually, because it's saying that you unscrew, you unscrew here and you have the spoolie That's interesting. So you unscrew there and there's the screwy. And then on this side, Get Your Fix 3-in-1 is a brow gel. Wow. Oh. Guys, there's a brow gel on this side as well. So there's probably product in here that goes with the color of the, oh wow, this is interesting. That's why it's 3-in-1. That's kind of interesting. That's really good for a makeup artist actually. So you get the pencil, the comb, and then the gel to literally fix your eyebrows together. This is so interesting. So you get 5 colors, which is amazing. So again, as I mentioned, I'm a makeup artist and I'm really excited for these. So there's 5 colors like this, and this is like, we're saying this is £30. This alone should be way more than £30 for 5 shades. Like, does that even add up? We then have an eyebrow gel, which is May Your Coffee Be As Strong As Your Brow Game. Made with a whole lot of love. Like, honestly guys, this is amazing. And it has B on the packaging. See if you guys can see that. There we go. So let's open this one up. So I'm guessing this is just going to be like a clear gel. Oh, this is so cute. Baby Chino. This is what I was charged on. This is because it did come up on the custom. So this was the reason why I had to pay €6. I'm guessing there's some sort of alcohol. Yeah, the first ingredient is alcohol. So probably this is the reason why I had to pay the excise custom charge. So this is what it looks like. It's just a clear gel. I'm not going to open this because I don't like to open unless I'm going to start using it, but I'm seeing there's a spoolie. It's in the same kind of form as the bases. So if you look, they're very similar, which I love. It's just more of a transparent, translucent kind of packaging. It's just a normal straight up eyebrow gel. I'm really excited to try this and see what I think. I've been dying to try an eyebrow gel, and yeah, if I like it, I'll probably get one for my kit. And then lastly, as you can see, not much in the package, but a lot at the same time. This is like a palette. I'm thinking it is. So this says PLOUISE Signature Blend Silky Smooth Eyebrow Palette. Again, premium quality, which we definitely agree on, and a makeup artist's dream. If you're trying to build your kit, get the budget boxes because you'll be surprised what you're gonna get. So again, this is the packaging, very similar to what the outer packaging is, and you open up it and you get the, are these cream and brown? Oh my god, these are actually cream and wow, powder. So the top are cream and the bottom are powder. Like, can you get any more versatile than that? Like, perfect for any makeup artist. And you just have one palette. You don't need any more, you don't need a lot of products. One palette, 5 of those, the eyebrow gel, and you've got literally everything you need for any type of eyebrows that you kind of work on. Now, I wouldn't think this will be for everyone. This isn't a box that would be for everyone to purchase. I think could have probably skipped it, or you probably have to like gift them. Like, normally the budget boxes tend to be versatile, where I think, in my opinion, this is more makeup artistry, especially having all the colors of the eyebrows, because again, normally it's everything at random and you get maybe one of 3 or something like that. But considering this is literally a whole brow game box, this would be more like a makeup artist's dream rather than your bestie who just has no makeup and just likes getting the boxes. Like, there's going to be a lot of people out there that might not use all of these and just will use one, but then they'll end up having to gift the other ones to besties and stuff like that who would maybe be that color. So personally, this is a great box personally, because I'm a makeup artist and I know I'll use these on, if not myself, I'll use them on clients. But honestly, this is not a box for everyone, and I don't know why they did that. If they had boxes ranging for makeup artists, then this would be a perfect box. But this wouldn't have been for everyone, and I don't know if everyone's gonna like it. Like, yes, we do love this. Like, I like to get these, especially because my monthly PLOUISE order tends to be these, so I always get them here. And this is the third one, if I'm not mistaken. I think the fourth one's coming out, I mentioned as well again. And I just love getting these minis because they tend to just go into detail with everything. Now I wonder if normally inside the magazine they give you more information and stuff like that, and it's just Paige's way of giving back. So yeah, so inside, if you've never seen one of these magazines before, I can just go through it quickly. So inside it just gives you how to use them, which brushes to use, and if I'm not mistaken, oh yes, all the range colors that she has, including Michaela. That's Michaela, and she had the purple one if I'm not mistaken. So I've got all the colors. I've got a few of them actually, and I've got a few that I really love. So it's good to have a swatch book so I know what's what and which ones I want to get if I've not tried them before. So yeah, all in all, I love this box. Not for everyone, but it's if you're a makeup artist, this box is for you. Like honestly, that's my only like downfall I would have to say with this box. It is not for everyone, and it saddens me that it's not, but fortunately that's what it is. I love this box for a makeup artist. This is a makeup artist's dream, as I mentioned. I really am happy with this box, especially the custom box as well, which I'm definitely going to be keeping. And I'm really looking forward to the next one. The next one's already shipped. This took a while to arrive. We're in November and this has just arrived. We're in the middle of November. Got stuck in customs, that's fine. And I think they did take a while for them to ship, so hence why I'm posting this now and recording this now. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thumbs up if you did, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys in the next budget box, which should be arriving very soon. See you guys in the next one. Bye everyone.